Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to make this. First I will demonstrate it, then we will code it together. So just let me open it up and we will see. Let's start the program. Ooh, what a beautiful fan of color. We can adjust how things go. And then we have, let's turn my randomizer on, off, and then of course the special effect, I'll tune it to about 20 for this to work best. And it loops back in a cool design. Though I advise, if you make this, I advise actually putting the randomizer buttons on top. I got my buttons flip-flop. And if you turn them both on, both features on, it looks absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, that's actually really cool, is having them both on and then turning special off. Anyway, turning this off, it's time to get into the code and how to code it. So, we will get to the basketballs and baseballs, which are the on-off buttons, in a minute. Let's take our starter code. This is what, and you will put this in your ball sprite. When green flag is clicked, go to X0, Y0. Set your variable special, so you will make four variables. Times is hidden, so then you have special, randomizer, and my variable. Go to 00, set special to off, times to 0, and randomizer to off. Erase all. Which for that you will have to go to here and add in the pen section. Forever, change color effect by 1, which is here. You just change the bubble to say 1. Create a clone of myself. Turn right my variable degrees. Make sure that it is turned right. Change times by 1. If times is bigger than 1000, then erase all and set times to 0. And if randomizer is on, then set my variable to pick random 1 through 100. Then, when I start as a clone forever, move 10 steps and stand. If touching edge, then delete this clone. If special is on, then turn left my variable divided by 2 degrees, which you would get by taking the divided bubble and then my variable and then, and that is that for the balls code, I believe. God. Then, this is just a note explaining to anyone who sees it. After a little while, it turns white and then back starts spinning again. This is just a note to anyone who's like, what's going on and comes to the code. It has to reboot and erase everything every 1000 times, which is the whole point of the times variable. Now, the ball by itself would work to make this, but it wouldn't have randomizer and special. Then you need to make 2 on buttons and 2 off buttons. Basketball number 1, which I'm actually going to change its name to randomizer on. Wow. This one, when clicked, if your randomizer is off, then it'll turn it on and it automatically goes to its position, which is 193, negative 95. Then we're going to have this baseball, which is you use to turn the randomizer off. Randomizer off. Then we have, when this red is clicked, if your randomizer is on, then turn it off, and then its location here. Then we have basketball 3, which is special on, and it has its coordinates, and if special equals off, also in case you were wondering, the way I get the special is if special equals off, where's the, then set special to on, and then of course we have our other off button, which is special off. And when this spread is clicked, if special equals on, set special to off, and then it has its coordinates. So then, once you've done that, you can start playing around with making fun designs, post it on Scratch, do whatever you want, and then we are going to save that, and I am going to show you my studio. I helped curate that one. Ignore this one. Welcome. This is my project, That Peep Studio, and where is this on it? That should not be on it. And with this studio, this is my studio where I post all of my projects. Anyone, I guess, can add projects, but no one does except for me. So if you would like to see more projects by me, you can come here to That Peep Studio, and you can check out my projects. So that would be Wasad, over and out.